Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Linux command line tutorial for beginners. In this video we will learn how to use touch command in Linux. The touch command is the easiest way to create new empty files in Linux. It is also used to change the timestamps on existing files or directories. So let's see how we can use it. So first of all I will open my terminal. And as you can see on the desktop I have a directory called dir, so I will just cd to the desktop first of all, so cd desktop, and then I will just cd inside the directory. Okay, and let's list all the content of the directory, so I will just do ls minus l for long list. And you can see this directory contains 5 files: file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4 and file 5. And you can see the time of the files, which is the timestamp at which they are created or updated. Right now, for example, we want to create a new empty file. We can use a touch command to create a new empty file. And to create a new empty file you just need to write touch, which is a command, and then there can be options for touch, but the simplest way is to give the name of the file. So you can see the directory already contains 5 files and I want to create a 6th file, so I can just say file 6 and press enter, and then I will just list all the files once again. And now you can see file 6 is created, right? And the timestamp of this file is the time right now, which is 11:22 p.m., right? Which is the creation of this file, timestamp of this file, right? And these files are created at 10:05 or 10:05 p.m. you can say, right? So the first use of touch command is to create a empty file. You cannot create a directory using a touch command. You can only create an empty file. Right now, earlier with touch command I have only used the name of the file. I can even give the extension of the file, for example file 7.txt or cpp or any other extension, and it will create it. Okay, and let's list out all the contents, and you can see the file is created. And because we are using the long listing, so it's also showing the permissions and the timestamp at which they are created or modified. Right now, the second use of touch command is to change the timestamp of a file. So let me clear this terminal first, and I will do ls minus l once again. And you can see the time at which these files are created or modified. Now, for example, I want to change the timestamp on these files at which they are modified or created. Then what I can do is I can use the touch command on them. Okay, so if the file doesn't exist, and if you use touch command, then it's going to create this file, right? And if file already exists, and you can if you use the touch command on this file which already exists, it's going to update the timestamp of this file to the current timestamp, right? So you can see current timestamp is 23:24, and I want to change the timestamp of this file 1. I can just do touch file 1 and press enter, and once again I can do ls minus l, and you can see file 1 timestamp was earlier 22:05, and right now it's 23:24, right? So in this way you can update the timestamp of the file using a touch command. Okay, so these are the two basic uses of touch command. First is to create empty files, and second is to update the timestamp of a given file. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.